Okay, so I'm up here in the Sequoia National Forest, and we set out today to find snow, and we found snow. And so in this video, we're just going to go over some quick signs that you might want to know if you come up to a national park in the wintertime. So the first sign that I'm going to be sharing with you today is cold, because it is cold out here. So you just basically shiver, just like you're cold. Also, the sign for winter is done like this, and sometimes it's used as an English initialized sign, like this with a W for winter. Another sign that you might want to know is the sign for tree or trees, and so this could be singular or plural. Sometimes you could set up multiple trees to indicate like a forest. Again, we're here at the national park, so the sign for national is like this, the U hand shape, circles around and goes on to your non-dominant hand. And of course, we came out here with the goal to find snow, and the sign for snow is like this. It's just kind of fluttering down with your fingers for snow. Another sign that I would like to share with you today is the sign for beautiful, because it really is beautiful despite how cold it is. So beautiful is like this, beautiful. Another one you might want to know too is temperature, whether it's hot or whether it's cold. So you set up your finger like it's a thermostat, and the temperature goes up and down for temperature. While you're up here in the woods, you probably will want to go hiking, and so hiking is done with the three hand shapes, and you shuffle back and forth just like this for hiking. Occasionally they'll have bent threes, and sometimes they'll be straight threes, so it kind of depends on your local area. And a couple other signs that you might want to know too is whether it's bright or if it's dark. Currently it's starting to get dark outside, so you would use this sign to indicate darkness. The sign for light or bright, you bend down your middle fingers and you go up like this for light or for bright. And so those are just some of the signs that you may want to learn or might want to be familiar with when you go out for a hike or you go out to a national park and you just really have a spectacular, beautiful day, despite how cold or how hot it may be. So that's it, and until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.